Jagdeep Dhankar's sudden resignation as the Vice President of India has left everyone shocked. On Monday, just as the monsoon session of Parliament began, the former VP stepped down, officially citing medical reasons. But inside political circles, a different story is unfolding. Sources have revealed that Dhankar's decision came after he took a step that didn't sit well with the central government. He accepted an opposition-backed notice in the Rajya Sabha that aimed to begin impeachment proceedings against Justice Yashwant Verma. This move was unexpected and reportedly upset the top leadership, including the Prime Minister. As per reports by Hindustan Times and Indian Express, two senior ministers JP Nadda and Kiran Rijiju reached out to Dhankar on Monday. Rijiju apparently told Dhankar that in the Lok Sabha, such impeachment matters generally discussed and consensus is built before proceeding. He even hinted that the PM was not happy with how fast things were moving. Dhankar, however, stood by his actions, saying he was following the rules of the Rajya Sabha. This conversation happened after the first Business Advisory Committee meeting at 12:30 p.m. Interestingly, the ministers did not attend the second meeting held later that day at 4:30 p.m., a sign that something was off. Opposition leaders have called Dhankar's exit unexpected and claimed that there may be more serious reasons behind it than just medical issues. Many believe that the real reason behind his resignation was the tension that followed his action in the House. Meanwhile, the government seems to be preparing to move the impeachment process from Rajya Sabha to Lok Sabha. Indian Express reported that Speaker Om Birla may soon form a statutory committee to investigate the charges against Justice Verma. So what looked like a quiet resignation might actually be a result of deep political disagreement. What do you think? Was it just about health, or is this a power play in action?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.